Greetings and welcome to a new video. In this video you will learn how to use the new Palera1n C, that is the Palera1n jailbreak written in C language. It is super easy and fast, and then we will jailbreak iOS 16.3.1 on this iPhone 8 Plus. This tutorial can be used to jailbreak iOS 15 devices 15.7.3 or higher. The method shown in this video is completely free. As you can see, I have this freshly restored device. As you can see the size here, the file system for semi-tethered is not created yet. Now first of all, head over to the official GitHub page for Palera1n C. Again, it is completely free for everybody. And then when you scroll down, you will see releases. So just tap here and then tap releases, and then you will get the latest release, whatever it is, and you will see assets. Just scroll down, and we are doing this on Linux, so you'll have to get this file Palera1n Linux x86_64. so just get this file. Alright guys, once you have got this file, now simply connect your device via USB and hit trust on your device. This is very important. Alright, so you have done it now. Now just right click here and open a new terminal. Now make sure that it is always on top so that you can easily drag over the file. So now type sudo chmod +x, give it a space and drag the file in, press enter and type in your Linux password. Alright, the first command is complete. Now sudo space, drag the file in, and to make sure that it works, I will get the help first, help, press enter, and you can see the file has run correctly, so that I can see the help. So as you can see, I have freshly restored my device, so I will have to set up the fake FS first for semi-tethered mode, and then we will boot the fake FS. So first of all, you will have to use these two flags, -C and -F, and if you are on a 16 GB device, so you can use the -B, so that it only takes about 2 to 3 GB of space. Please note that using the partial fake FS is not working right now on iOS 16. So what we will do, sudo space, drag the file in, now -F -C. Let me maximize it so you can see it. Alright, now simply press enter and the device will go to recovery mode immediately. Press enter and follow the instructions on your screen to get it into GFU. Alright, as you can see, it is now booting up, and then this process will end, but on your device it will keep creating the fake FS, and this will take about 10 to 15 minutes. So wait for the process on your device to complete first. Alright guys, step 1 is complete. As you can see by the size that the file system for the semi-tethered mode is created. As you can see the size here, but you will not see the Palera1n loader yet. What you will have to do is, now simply here press the up arrow and remove the -C, and we will just boot it with -F. Press enter and your device will go into recovery mode. Now press enter to get it into DFU by just following the instructions. Right, so let the process complete. Now it is booting. You can ignore this error if you are getting it. Now your device should boot into normal mode. Alright, so guys, after your device boots up in normal mode, you will see the Palera1n loader on your home screen. Make sure that the Wi-Fi is connected and I want to show you the version. It is on 16.3.1, as you can see it right here. Now open the loader. You can see the version here, 16.3.1. Now simply hit install and it will start downloading some files, so wait for the process to complete. Alright, so after it is complete, you will see the respring button. Respring your device from here, and after a respring you will see the Celio on your home screen. Allow, and you can see the version. It is jailbroken on 16.3.1 and it's an iPhone 8 Plus. So we have some updates, so let's try installing them. Alright, so it is complete, done, and you can see everything is working just fine. You may be asking that why there is no substitute. It will appear when you install anything. Alright, so we are now installing, and then you will see this prompt, always allow and restart Springboard. So as you can see that substitute will appear when you install a tweak. Now guys, for some troubleshooting, I have experienced this problem that your jailbreak will be stuck somewhere. Even on A11 it happened with me right now. So what you will do is simply restart the computer and then try it again, and then it will work. And if you are using an A10 device, yes, you can set a passcode on A10 devices, passcode and Touch ID. That's all for this video guys. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.